We're here at the airport and it is time to check in. Gosh, it's been so long since I've done this. Well, this really sucks. This was a very short-lived trip. Thank you. What are you guys doing? Come on, guys. Get inside here. Come on. They both were howling. They're coming. Come Santa Claus. It's coming down the street right by my van. This is crazy. It's kind of cool that they're doing this for everybody. Well, it's time to go to Portugal and I've got to pack. Let me show you the holy mess that this place is in right now. It's insane. It's like so chaotic in my brain. Here we have all my stuff that I have laid out to pack. So this is like a bunch of camera equipment. There's crap all over the counter. Bed's empty. I'm about to start packing over there. This is the bench seat with just, again, charging everything with my battery, so that I have all my equipment charged up, my Kindle, my, oh my gosh, I have to show you this one in a second, but batteries, computer, and then there's this mess. Backpack, this is my bag somewhere under here, my suitcase with all my clothes, I gotta get that. This is gonna be some maintenance to winterize the van. Get to that in a second too, but yeah, as you can see, it's just a bloody mess inside here. And well, I definitely don't want this place to be a mess when I get back, so I'm gonna have to pack everything and then clean the van up so that it's all ready for when I get back. So not only do I have to pack for Portugal, I have to winterize the van, and I'm here at my friend's house. I'm here at Kim and Tim's, and they've allowed me to stay on their property over here. You can see their little van that they have in the back, but they're gonna let me keep my van out here at their place in Texas, watch it for me while I'm gone. They're so nice. So I really appreciate them for doing that, because it's one of the stressors that I have about leaving my van is making sure that it's safe. So that was a huge priority for me. So I also have to winterize it because in Texas it can get very cold sometimes in the wintertime. So I'm going to put some antifreeze down in the gray tank, and I'm not gonna actually winterize the fresh tank. I don't think I'm gonna need to, because I've already drained all the fresh water out of it. I tried to get as much water out of the gray tank as well, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the antifreeze in just in case. So of course I'm super excited to go to Portugal, but I'm also gonna have a little surprise for you guys that I'm gonna take you along for the ride with me on. I think it's gonna be so much fun. I'm very excited about it, but I have a lot of planning to do to get ready. This is what I wanted to show you about this. So looks like headphones, right? Nope, it's a personal fan. I know, I feel like such a dork wearing this, but let me tell you, before anybody judges me for it, I wear it because I get hot when I'm moving around a lot because of, you know, the thing that women go through, menopause. I was like, I'm gonna just die, like walking in the airport or sometimes just moving around the van. If I'm doing stuff a lot, my face starts to sweat, and then trying to be on camera with my face sweating all the time, it's like, I don't want that. It's got 3 different settings to make it low. So this is low, I don't know if you can hear it, medium, and high, but it goes all around your neck, and then right here, oh, it feels so good. So here's the thing, before any of you guys judge me on this, well, probably judging myself a little bit because I was like, oh God, do I look like one of those old ladies that's all sweaty and from menopause and, you know, wearing one of these silly things, but I got the idea from Amy on Kinging It. If you haven't seen their channel, it's so freaking fantabulous. Love it. You have to go check out their channel. They are travelers as well. They're from the UK, Wales specifically, and they're funny, so funny. Anyway, so Amy is hip, young, and she got taught too, and she was wearing one of these things, so that's where I got the idea. So thank you, Amy from Kinging It, for suggesting and saving my life from sweating all over the place. I really love this bottle. I love that it has these straws on it with the flip top. And that leads me to today's video sponsor, which is Super Sparrow. The top of this is so much better than the one that I have because it's shatterproof. So if I drop it, this is likely going to be down or even up, but it's still protected by this guard and not going to bust like I did on this one. And also it's got a nice little handle on it so I can carry it while I'm walking outside. I drink a certain amount of water every single day, and I just have to count the number of bottles that I drink in a day rather than all the ounces. So it really helps me get my water in. What's also great about it is that it's insulated, so you can keep cold beverages cold and hot beverages hot. Now these are their plastic bottles, and it even shows the ounces on the side, 26 ounces. And check this out, it's got this little strainer. You can put the strainer right inside here. You can infuse teas, herbs, and fruit. It's gonna do fresh blueberries in here. We'll add more water, snap on that lid, give it a little shake. Amazing, refreshing, blueberry infused water. It's got a little handle on it so I can take it with me when I'm hiking. The grip is nice. This is BPA free. It's also made with what they call Triton plastic, so it's shatterproof if you drop it. Make sure you click that link in my description box to get your very own Super Sparrow bottle, and if you use my coupon code, you're gonna get 10% off of your order. Definitely go click that and see which bottle you want for yourself. All right, now let's get back to the show. This flight's gonna be really long. I'm actually flying from DFW Airport in Dallas to London, then I have to change flights, get on British Airways, go to Lisbon, Portugal, and then I have to take a train. So it's gonna be a very long couple travel days. So I'm gonna bring my Kindle, download a couple of really good romance novels because I like romance. I also love Audible, so I've downloaded some Audibles. Plus I have my computer so that I can actually work while I'm on the road. The flight's gonna be overnight, the first leg of it, so I'm hoping I can just really sleep the whole way. That'll probably help with jet lag, I think. This is my first time flying to Europe. I've never done a long flight like this, so I don't know. It's gonna be quite the experience, guys. Other essentials that I'm bringing is I bought this little travel, what do you call this? Power surge, multiple charger cable. But then I also bought an adapter for the different plugs, whatever country you're gonna be in. I'm not actually bringing a curling iron or hair dryer. I don't wanna fry my electronics. So I'm gonna actually wait till I get there. My friend has one, I'm just gonna use hers. She's gonna let me borrow that one. First things first, suitcase. I realize the suitcase and everything's a holy mess right now, but what I did is I just kind of pre-planned through a bunch of clothes in here that I thought is going to work. Now I've just gotta go through it and see what do I wanna keep. So I'm actually bringing a carry-on. So the reason is because I hate traveling with a bunch of stuff and I wanna carry light for a couple of reasons, because I'm gonna be on trains and planes and moving around a lot. So I wanna make sure that, you know, I'm in possession of my bags all the time. So I have my carry-on and I also have my backpack. I've actually had this carry-on suitcase for, I don't know, probably 10 years. It's just a little Osprey. It's got wheels on it and it's just perfect for carry-on. I have these compression bags. This is nice. You fold everything up. It's got this little thing that you insert into your clothes, your shirts, and you fold everything and then just put it in here. Show what that looks like when I'm done, and some of these little small ones too. So essentially all of these clothes pretty much have to go in here. One of the other things I got for the trip are these air tags. So I got one for my backpack and I got one for my carry-on so that I always know where it's at, just in case I have to check the carry-on for whatever reason. I don't know if we can get into this. Okay. It's really simple. It comes like this and it's just a little bitty tiny device, AirTag, that you stick inside of whatever you want. I put it in an inconspicuous place so people don't know that it's there. And you actually just take your phone and I think it's already, did you hear that little jingling? It sees my AirTag already because I took it out of the package. I'm gonna click connect and you name it. So it says name AirTag. I don't know if you can see that, maybe not. And I'm gonna call this one, I already have one for my backpack, so I'm gonna say luggage. You hit continue. AirTag is linked to my Apple and it's connecting right now. Amber's luggage. there we go. And it knows exactly where it's at. It's beautiful. I've really loved having it. So I already added it to my backpack and I've been kind of testing it out to see, but great little device for you guys if you want to add this to anything. You can put it in a purse, you can attach it to keys, you can attach it to dog collars, all kinds of cool things. It's about $25 on Amazon, and I'll put a link down below for that if you're interested. Well, I'm slowly getting there. My clothes all picked out as to what I want to take with me, and I have them folded for this compression bag. So I folded everything with this, so it fits nice within this bag. I'll put this on top. It has this Velcro right here. And get it as tight as possible. And then this is where the real compression comes in, is this top part. I may have too much in here. And there. I could probably push it down even more if I had it on a nice flat surface. Let's see. I know this looks really big, maybe, but I have 7 outfits in here, plus, well, really like 9 outfits because I've got like a couple of t-shirts in there, yoga pants, wearing 1 pair of jeans on the airplane, I'm bringing another pair of jeans, I'm bringing a pair of athletic pants that's kind of like, you know, my loose ones that I wear when I just want to be cool outside, with a t-shirt, and then a pair of yoga pants as well. Well, the rest are shirts, nice shirts, kind of a variety, so very casual, a little dressier, not too dressy, and then just semi-casual. All right, guys, it has been a day. It is now nighttime outside, and I'm just now getting done. Of course, nighttime here in Texas is like, what, around 5:30, I think, something like that. Well, it was quite a lot to get everything together. The compression bags did not work whatsoever. It was just too big. I got everything packed in this bag. That's my carry-on, and then my backpack. Okay. And I'm also starting to get a little hangry right now, so I'm gonna go get something to eat. All right, well, I'm off to the airport. Van is properly stowed away, and Kim is taking me in her van to the airport. And it's 1,000% humid outside. And raining, by the way, for a whole week in Portugal, so welcome to the lovely weather.
25, right?
25, yeah. Bye, Kim.
Bye. Have fun.
See you when I get back. Take good care of my van.
I will.
We're here at the airport, and it is time to check in. Gosh, it's been so long since I've done this. Let's see, I'm in D25. Okay, let's see where we go here. There's hardly anybody in the check-in line. It's really dark in here. Well, that was super easy. I was right here at D25 already. I think that's the first time ever that I did not have to go very far. I'm actually here 5 hours early. I need to do some work. My friends had to do some things, so it's like, just take me to the airport early. It'll be good. Okay, so I really debated on whether I wanted to get this, but I did. It's a pillow for when I sleep. Oh my gosh, look at that. It feels so comfy already. Okay, dinner tonight. Brisket, mac and cheese, and green beans. Gotta have a little meal before I get on the plane. I still have like 2 hours before the flight actually boards. I'm actually gonna get in my seat and rest a little bit. Did all the work I can do. Well, this really sucks. This was a very short-lived trip. I have lost my passport. I cannot find it anywhere. I had it in my pocket just about getting ready to board, and I couldn't find it anywhere. I went to the bathroom, wasn't there. So I don't know what happened to it. So I'm going to cancel the flight. I'm actually on the phone with them right now, waiting for them to respond so that I can cancel the flight and see what I can do. I went to Lost and Found. Lost and Found doesn't have it. So I'm hoping it'll turn up at some point, but I can't imagine what happened to it. I've taken my whole bag apart and everything, so I can't believe this is happening. I've never done anything like this before. I'm a super responsible person, and I don't lose things like this. All right, well, just got off the phone with American Airlines. Thankfully, I booked all of this with points, so it's going to go back to my points card. So all the points will go back to me. Still haven't found my passport. Have no idea where it's at. Lost and found still hasn't found it, so I'm actually going to now get a ride back to my friend's house. I'm stunned, really stunned. I mean, trip of a lifetime that I had planned out here. I'm just out here waiting for my friend to pick me up. Well, hello. That was a disaster.
I can't believe that.
Well, I'm back in my van, and what a weird day. I swear, I'm still wearing my same clothes from last night. I don't know what I'm gonna do. All I know is I'm going to my sister's house. I checked last night. It's been a crazy night. Trying to get things canceled, get communicated to my friend that I'm not coming now. Trying to figure out if I should just go ahead and get an expedited passport, but that's gonna be a couple $100. And then also a new plane ticket to get out there is gonna be to get there by next week before my friend leaves, because she's the one that was going to let me stay in her house and use it kind of as a base for traveling over in Portugal. But she's coming here to the United States to visit her son. And so to get there before she leaves, it would cost me all in all about $2,000 to get over there. I just don't want to pay that kind of money, you know, for something so quickly. So trying to do the responsible thing here too and be wise with my money. So I think I'm just gonna have to put the trip off until a later time. I don't know what else to do right now. So just a quick update. They have still not found my passport. We have no idea where it's at. So I've had to actually call the passport office and let them know that my passport is lost, and so it voids the passport. I was kind of hoping that maybe they'd find it and then I could not have to go through this and have to get a new passport, but apparently no such luck. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm doing. I'm at my sister's house, and there's a big possibility that I might go to the desert. You know, Arizona, winter time. I had the next 6 weeks planned out. This has all just come at me so quickly, so I'm trying to make decisions and figure out like what's my next step. So I'm here at my sister's trying to figure that out in the Dallas, Texas areas. I'm so sorry that the video is ending like this. I know that all you guys wanted to see my travels in Portugal as well. I definitely wanted to see my travels in Portugal. It's just a huge bummer, and of course I'm disappointed in myself that I lost my passport. Never happens to me. Even my sister was like, that never happens to you, Amber. So I'm not sure what the next video is gonna hold, but your guess is as good as mine. If you guys have any suggestions on maybe where I should go for the winter in my van, then go ahead and leave me a comment below. While you're out there, make sure you are still story chasing. There is so many holidays coming up right now, and I hope you are visiting your friends and your family and your loved ones and giving them big, big hugs and letting them know how much you care about them this holiday season. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and also, if you have never subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. There's so many of you that have never subscribed that watch my videos. I don't know why. I'd be so appreciative if you went ahead and clicked that button to subscribe. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.